Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Camden, local, and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a moving company with professional Camden, Arkansas local movers to help you relocate seamlessly. Our team of experts goes through a series of interviews before the final selection, making us hire the best in the city. Also, we organize training and sponsor them for seminars to upgrade their skills. Our local movers perform their services with professionalism at its peak. A good reason why you should hire us for your move is because our services are affordable. We offer various flexible services with the freedom to choose the specific areas you need assistance with. After choosing, we will work with you to plan and ensure everything is in place for the move. Our past clients are constantly referring us to others due to the quality of the service we offer, which is still our practice. Did you know that any move over 400 miles is a long-distance trip? If you will be relocating to another city or coming to Camden from a faraway place, you should work with a professional mover. These journeys take more than a day, and different challenges may come your way, making it overwhelming. As someone with little to no experience, it can lead to damages beyond repair. But the difficulties will be minimal when a professional with you handles the job. Another reason you need a long-distance mover is because the service is cheaper than self-service. The professional help you buy all the materials you need to pack all your items and even provide a truck for the move. As usual, 3 Movers has a Camden, Arkansas long-distance movers team for you. They are professionals, well-trained and reliable. With affordable service and less stress about meeting your relocation goals, you will enjoy every step of the way. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Camden moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.